From the lush rainforests to the coral reefs teeming with life, our planet thrives on the intricate web of biodiversity. It's a symphony of life, a delicate balance where each species, no matter how small, plays a vital role. But this precious tapestry is under threat, its threads fraying at an alarming rate. The time for complacency is long gone. Join us as we explore 7 simple yet impactful actions that each one of us can take to help tip the scales back in favor of our planet's biodiversity. If you enjoy content that inspires change, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the Global Fact Trends channel. Our journey towards a biodiverse planet begins with the very ground beneath our feet. The soil is not just dirt, it is a living, breathing ecosystem teeming with microorganisms that play a crucial role in plant health and growth. When we nurture the soil, we nurture life itself. Intensive farming practices, while efficient, can often come at the expense of our natural world. These methods rely heavily on chemical inputs like pesticides and fertilizers, which can degrade soil health over time and contaminate water sources. The focus on single crop production also makes these systems vulnerable to pests and diseases, requiring even more chemical intervention. Vast monocultures replace diverse ecosystems, leaving little room for the myriad creatures that once called these lands home. The loss of habitat forces wildlife to migrate or perish, disrupting entire ecosystems. This not only affects animals, but also the plants and microorganisms that depend on a balanced environment to thrive. But there is a better way. Sustainable agriculture offers a holistic approach that considers the long-term health of the environment. By integrating diverse crops and natural pest control methods, we can create resilient farming systems that support both human and ecological health. By supporting sustainable agriculture, we can help rewrite this narrative. Practices like crop rotation, polyculture, and agroforestry not only improve soil health, but also increase biodiversity. Community-supported agriculture, CSA programs connect consumers directly with local farmers, fostering a sense of community and shared responsibility for the land. Imagine fields teeming not just with crops, but with life. Insects buzzing amongst wildflowers planted along the borders, their vital role in pollination, ensuring a bountiful harvest. These wildflower borders also provide habitat for beneficial insects that help control pests naturally, reducing the need for chemical interventions. This is the promise of sustainable agriculture, a harmonious partnership between human needs and the delicate balance of nature. Farmers who adopt these practices become stewards of the land, working in harmony with natural processes to produce food that is not only healthy for us, but also for the planet. Seek out the logos that signify a commitment to organic practices, a commitment to avoiding harmful pesticides and herbicides that disrupt the delicate balance of life. Organic certification ensures that the food we consume is grown in ways that respect the environment and promote biodiversity. Support your local farmers, the unsung heroes who are embracing these practices, nurturing not just crops, but the very essence of a thriving ecosystem. By choosing to buy from local, sustainable sources, we can all play a part in fostering a healthier planet for future generations. Every purchase is a vote for the kind of world we want to live in, one where agriculture and nature coexist in harmony. Let's step into your very own backyard, a space that holds endless possibilities. This space is brimming with the potential to become a haven for biodiversity, a sanctuary for wildlife right outside your door. Imagine a symphony of colors, vibrant blooms of native wildflowers attracting buzzing bees, their delicate wings shimmering in the sunlight. These bees, with their diligent work, ensure the continuation of countless plant species, playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. Butterflies, with their wings painted like living jewels, flit from flower to flower, adding a touch of magic to your garden. Their presence is a testament to the health of this miniature ecosystem, a sign that your garden is thriving. Birdsong fills the air, a chorus of gratitude for the shelter and sustenance provided by berry-laden shrubs and carefully placed bird feeders. These birds bring life and music to your garden. This is the magic you can create by choosing native plants, which are perfectly adapted to your local environment. Providing water sources for thirsty creatures such as bird baths or small ponds invites a variety of wildlife to visit and stay. And by avoiding the use of harmful pesticides, you ensure that your garden remains a safe haven for all its inhabitants. Your garden, a microcosm of the wider world, becomes a beacon of hope for biodiversity, a living example of how even small actions can make a big difference. This flourishing space is a testament to the power of even the smallest actions, showing that anyone can contribute to the health of our planet, one garden at a time. Our oceans, once teeming with a kaleidoscope of life, are increasingly becoming choked with a scourge of our own making, plastic. This seemingly indestructible material, so ubiquitous in our lives, has become a silent killer, its presence felt in every corner of our oceans. Turtles, mistaking plastic bags for jellyfish, ingest them, their stomachs filled with this indigestible material, leaving them to slowly starve. Seabirds, their nests crafted from the debris that washes ashore, inadvertently feed their chicks plastic fragments, their tiny bodies ill-equipped to handle this toxic intrusion. The solution lies in our hands. Each time we refuse a single-use plastic bag, each time we opt for reusable containers and water bottles, we make a stand for the countless marine creatures whose lives are impacted by this pervasive pollution. Chapter 4. Educate yourself and others. Knowledge, they say, is power, and never is this more true than when it comes to protecting our planet's biodiversity. Take the time to delve into the fascinating world of your local ecosystems. Discover the intricate web of life that exists right under your nose, the species that are thriving, those that are struggling, and the threats they face. Share this newfound knowledge with your friends and family, sparking their curiosity and igniting a passion for conservation. Engage in meaningful conversations about the importance of biodiversity, the small actions we can all take, and the collective responsibility we share in safeguarding our planet's future. For it is through understanding and awareness that we can truly make a difference. Chapter 5. Participate in conservation efforts. There is an undeniable power in collective action, in joining hands with others who share a common goal. Seek out local conservation groups or initiatives in your area. These dedicated individuals are the frontline warriors in the battle to protect biodiversity, and they welcome the energy and enthusiasm of volunteers. Imagine yourself planting trees in a recently cleared forest, each sapling a symbol of hope for the future. Picture yourself meticulously removing invasive plant species, giving native flora a fighting chance to reclaim their rightful place. Envision yourself participating in wildlife surveys, carefully collecting data that will help scientists understand and protect local populations. These hands-on experiences not only make a tangible difference, but also foster a deep connection to the natural world. Chapter 6. Advocate for policy change. The decisions made in the halls of government have far-reaching consequences for the natural world. It is our duty as citizens to make our voices heard, to advocate for policies that reflect the urgent need to protect biodiversity. Engage with your local representatives, write letters, make phone calls, attend town hall meetings. Let them know that you support policies that protect natural habitats, promote sustainable practices, and prioritize the health of our planet over short-term economic gains. Remember, politicians are elected to represent their constituents, and your voice, added to the chorus of others who share your concerns, can create a powerful wave of change. Chapter 7. Make conscious consumer choices. Every purchase we make is a vote, a statement about the kind of world we want to live in. By choosing products that are eco-friendly and sustainably sourced, we send a clear message to corporations that we demand better. Seek out certifications like Fair Trade and Rainforest Alliance, badges of honor that signify a commitment to ethical and sustainable practices. Support companies that prioritize transparency and traceability in their supply chains, ensuring that the products you buy are not contributing to deforestation, habitat loss, or the exploitation of workers. Remember, as consumers, we wield immense power. Let's use that power to drive positive change, one purchase at a time. Outro, our planet's future in our hands. The journey we've embarked on together is just the beginning. Promoting biodiversity may seem like a monumental task, a challenge that feels overwhelming at times, but as we've seen, it's the culmination of countless small actions, each one rippling outwards, creating a larger impact than we might ever imagine. These small actions, when combined, create a wave of change that can transform our world. By embracing these 7 simple actions, we can make a significant difference. We become stewards of our planet, guardians of its beauty and diversity, protectors of the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Every species, every ecosystem plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our planet. Remember, the future of biodiversity, the future of our planet, is not a preordained destiny, but a choice we make together. It's a choice we make every day, in the way we live our lives, in the decisions we make, and the actions we take. It's a choice that reflects our commitment to a sustainable future, in the decisions we make, the actions we take, and the future we choose to create. The legacy we leave behind is shaped by our actions today. What kind of world do we want to pass on to future generations? What other actions can we take to protect our ecosystems? How can we further our efforts to ensure a thriving planet? Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into innovative solutions for biodiversity conservation. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on Global Fact Trends. Your engagement makes a difference. Together, we can make a lasting impact. Thank you for being part of this journey.